Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share this card with you. Oh, don't you love it? It's so pretty. I did receive, or I did buy this stamp and die set off of AliExpress. I did a haul video not too long ago. I can link that here so you can check it out if you've missed it. But I first stamped the Protea, I think that's how you say it. I did stamp that first. What did I use? I think I used Memento. I used Memento Tuxedo Black, which may or may not be a good fit for watercoloring-ish. It's a dye ink. It's not alcohol, so maybe it was fine. But that's what I used to stamp the image. I then colored it with my water paintbrush, and then I used several mini inks and colored in the flowers, and I used, you know, a darker color toward the middle and lighter as I got toward the edge of the petals. I think it came out alright. I'm not very good at watercoloring, but I do like it. I also cut out this bow twice. It comes with the bow die there. And I've just attached some enamel dots and put an Aloha flag on it. And that's pretty much it. So it was a fairly simple card. I don't usually color too much. I'm trying to do more coloring. I do like it. I don't know. I had fun doing this one, that's for sure. But hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.